Class number 142, Zen Yoga. This is your sneak peek into the live stream room at the guest bungalow. Our offering for today was a fusion between standing yoga postures, Tai Chi, and Qigong to help improve the energy flow of the body. Individuals who are dedicated to Zen yoga start to feel the energy flowing and increasing within the body, which is a really cool sensation to experience. I found it very challenging to pick a favorite pose in the 1 hour sequence that was offered today. Every time I was in the pose, I was like, this is my favorite. This is the one I'm going to share. The pose I have decided upon sharing with you today was gifted to me from one of my favorite health and wellness practitioners. Her name was also Maggie. She was a licensed massage therapist and a Reiki master, my elderberry syrup supplier, and someone that I considered a dear friend. The pose is called Seaweed on the ocean floor, and it is one of the best yogic postures for the back. The back likes to continuously move and flow and be in new and unexpected positions. This ensures an increased range of motion and flexibility for the long haul. So, join me as we use our imaginations and pretend that we're seaweed on the ocean floor, moving with the waves of the water. You can move in any which direction you desire. Go up high, make it down low. You're just listening to your intuition and flowing. I've been practicing yoga for a hot minute now without music as a recommendation from my Indian yoga teacher. She wanted me to detach and disconnect from the dependency of music during yoga. But I will tell you, playing music in the background can be very helpful as you're starting to get used to being seaweed. If you need music recommendations for your flow, enter the music room at the guest bungalow, where I provide jams for your home practice. Here you'll find links to my favorite artists, favorite albums, favorite playlists. Some I've created myself, some others have created. It is all based upon Spotify, but you don't have to have a Spotify account to look and listen to my recommendations. Although I surely recommend it, because if you have a Spotify account, you won't have to listen to the commercials, which will make your yoga, your meditative experience much more pleasing and enjoyable. Zen Yoga, the offering for today, is a moving meditation where one pose is offered for at least 10 breaths. It allows you to get deep into the experience before having to contemplate moving to the next. If you'd like the complete 1 hour experience from today, Zen Yoga, make your way on over to the guest bungalow and enter the live stream room. We would love to have your company. Don't forget to stretch. Visit theguestbungalow.com today. We're open 24/7. And now is the perfect time to retreat. For ongoing inspiration, follow us across social media.